We have two updates going live from June 1st, 2026. First, we are waiving account maintenance charges for the first year on all new accounts. Second, if you're moving your holdings from another broker to Zerodha, we'll refund the transfer charges up to 30 rupees per stock and 500 rupees in total.
And this isn't just for new accounts. If you already have a Zerodha account and are moving stocks from another broker, we'll refund those charges too.
Now, a lot of customers already don't pay account maintenance charges because of BSDA or Basic Services Demat account. If you're opening a Demat account for the first time, you're automatically eligible for BSDA
if it's your first Demat account and your holding value is within the prescribed limits.
So for many people, AMC was never actually a big cost. But what we kept seeing was that the idea of maintenance fee itself created hesitation. People assumed there would be some recurring charge just for keeping the account open, and that was enough to make them delay starting. So we've removed that friction altogether. For the first year, there will be no account maintenance charges on the new accounts. Account opening is already free. We don't charge brokerage on equity delivery or mutual fund investments either. So if you open an account, invest in stocks for delivery, or invest in mutual funds, there's no brokerage. And now there's no AMC for the first year either. On transfers, if you move your holdings from another broker to Zerodha, there may be transfer charges. We'll refund those charges up to 30 rupees per stock and 500 rupees in total. The refund will be credited directly in your linked bank account. Zerodha has never advertised. We've grown mostly through word of mouth. People joined because someone they trusted told them about us. So if these updates are useful to someone you know, please pass it on.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.